Let us define the inverse function theorem. What is the inverse function theorem? That is when we have a function f is the set from a to r real number, then it is said to be function has a locally invertible at an interior point c is in capital A if there exists an open neighborhood u of c. If there exists open neighborhood u around c is the point or a, right, in the domain point of function, and v of fc. If there exists a function f is such that from a domain's point c, neighborhood u to f of c with the neighborhood of v, and the range is r, then if this function define is such that f restricted to u, when we restrict this domain not from a, it from u, if it is restricted to u, not to full a, right, if it is restricted to u, that means that we take the points from u only, not from a set, whole set, right. If we restricted this set and give the output on v, which is at fc, then this function f restricted to u, if f restricted to u is 1 1 and on 2, if this condition hold, if f restricted to u is 1 1 and on 2, then the inverse function, then the local inverse means it is not globally because it is not in whole a, it is defined on only around the point there exists a neighborhood. So then if it is this restricted domain has 1 1 on 2 function, then there exists inverse of this restricted domain, which is called f restricted to u का whole inverse from v to u. So this function is called local inverse, and this theorem is called locally invertible theorem.